Good morning students, welcome to challenge series. In this video, let us see a problem from the topic current electricity. In this, a circuit is given to us to find the equivalent resistance between the terminals A and B as shown in this figure. Let us find the equivalent circuit of or equivalent resistance value of this circuit. For that, the first step what I am doing means this 4 ohms I am writing as 2 ohm resistance in series with 2 ohms resistance, and then this 8 ohm and 8 ohm resistance I am writing as 4 ohm in series with other 4 ohm resistance. Like that I am writing, so that this 4 ohms I am writing as 2 ohm in series with 2 ohms. Similarly, this 4 ohm resistance I am writing it as 2 ohm in series with 2 ohms. Similarly, this 8 ohms, let us write it as 4 ohms in series with 4 ohms. And this 8 ohms, 4 ohms in series with 4 ohms. In the first step, we have divided those resistances in terms of these resistances. Then, in the next step, on this line, each point is at equipotential. So, this is all points on this line are equipotential points. Similarly, on this line, these are equipotential points. So in the next step, we are combining these equipotential points, and the resultant circuit I am plotting now. This is the point A, first 2 ohms, next these 2 ohms in parallel with 2 ohm when we combine these 2 points. Already one 2 ohm resistance like this, and these 2 ohms in parallel with this. Next these two, this is a 2 ohm resistance, and these two will become in parallel after combining these 2 points. So that a 2 ohm resistance, this 2 ohm is in parallel with this, like this. Next, these two are in parallel. And these two will be in parallel. In the next step, these 4 ohm will be in parallel after combining these 2 points. You can observe, these two are in parallel and these two will be in parallel. Let us plot those two now. So this 4 will be in parallel with this resistance, and this 4 ohm will be in parallel with this, like this, and these are 4 ohms. And this 4 ohm will be in parallel with this. This 4 ohm will be in parallel with this. And remaining here 2 ohm resistance are there. Like this, the circuit is drawn with the resistance values. This is 2, this is 2, this is 2, 2, 2, 2, and these are all 2, and these are all 4, and these are all 4. These two are 2 ohms. Now the circuit is easy to simplify because all are series and parallel combinations. We should remember one point here. When R is in parallel with R n times, the equivalent resistance will be R divided by R, n. If R parallel with R 2 times, it should be R by 2. In that, let us simplify this circuit. Here first 2 ohm, and this 2 ohm in parallel with 2 ohm means from this it will be R by 2. So 2 parallel 2 means it should become 1 ohm resistance. this 2 ohm resistance in series with 1 ohm resistance. 2 in series with 1 means 3 ohms. So from this point to this point, in this path, we get 3 ohms resistance. This is 3 ohms resistance. Here also same combination we can observe. Same combination here. 2 parallel to, it is 1 ohm. This 2 ohm, this 1 ohm in series. 2 plus 1, 3 ohms resistance. So that we are writing here 3 ohms resistance. And the next step, 2 parallel 2. That means this is 1 ohm resistance. 2 parallel 2. This is 1 ohm resistance. 4 parallel 4. 2 ohm resistance. 4 parallel 4. 2 ohm resistance. So 1 in series with 2. This is 3 ohms. Similarly in the down path, 1 in series with 2. This is also 3 ohms resistance. And then in the last step, 4 parallel 4, 2 ohms, 2 in series with 2, 4 ohms. In the upper path we get 4 ohms. Similarly in the down path, 4 parallel 4, this is 2, 2 series with 2, 4. This is the simplified circuit for the given circuit. We can easily sort out now the equivalent resistance value. This is 3 parallel 3, that means 3 by 2 here. This is 3 parallel 3, 3 by 2 here. 4 parallel 4, 4 by 2 here. Series combination of these three. So we can add these three to find equivalent resistance between the terminals AB. So that RAB is equal to 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 4 by 2. That is 3 plus 3 plus 4, 10. So that 10 by 2 are the equivalent resistance between the terminals A and B is here in this given circuit 5 ohms. So finding the equivalent or potential points in the equivalent resistance is the typical task here. We can find like this. Thank you.